I'm here at the library right now, and I just want to say, when was the last time that you took time to come to the library and check out a book or a video? We have a gorgeous library. Just look at it. It's such a wonderful place to relax. Well, this semester, as promised, I'm going to try to help you to save some time in Canvas so you can spend more time doing the things that you love to do. All right, thank you.
You're probably starting to wonder about the file manager. So I'd like to go over the different ways that you can organize and put your files into folders. So I want to go over here to the account. You notice that you have a global file manager in the account menu. Now, this is all set up by your courses. So you're going to see a lot of courses over the last couple of semesters listed here. What you can do is you can click on the name of the class and you could actually preload files. Now I want you just to notice here that if I was to move some of these files and organize them, drag and drop so to speak, this will not break the link in the course. So I'm looking at the global file manager. So now if I wanted to go back to my course, I could go into my course, and I'm just going to pick my new spring course, and I can go to the files here. Now I want you to understand that each course has its own files. So yes, I can go over to the account and I can preload files and pictures and images and all kinds of PowerPoints and documents in the global file manager, but they're still going to be managed locally. For some of us, we want to work in the course that we're building and creating. And in that case, you can go to the file manager for your course and create folders and upload files ahead of time. That way, when you're creating activities, whether it's content pages or assignments in your module, I'm going to click on the plus sign. The dialog box will open up and I'll be able to decide what it is I want to create. Now, if I've just uploaded a document and an image, I'll be able to embed that in this content page. I'm just going to call this practice for this purpose of the tutorial. Remember, these items go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on the name of the content page, and now I can go over to edit and my panel appears, and if I preloaded that document in my file manager, whether it's here in the global manager or in the local files for this particular course, I should have it ready to go. So notice, so this is going to be student letter. I can highlight this. My file is ready to go. It highlights, that means it's active and it's linked. And then I can also go over here to the images that I've preloaded. Now notice that I can also upload on the fly. It may help with some management. And again, if you decide to move these files around, the links will not break. Okay? So that's just one nice little feature in Canvas. Okay.